Hello, it's me, Barb with Barbalicious. How you guys doing today? It's been a while. I've been working, so I'm gonna do a video tonight and see how it goes. I'm kind of doing something on the fly. I've done it before, so we're gonna try it and see if it works. I'm gonna do like a vegetable beef stir fry kind of thing in a wrap. So I got my rice cooking. I did 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. It's on the stove cooking right now. I didn't add anything to it. I just want plain white rice right now. So right now got my stewing beef here. I'm just gonna cut it up, make it smaller, so it's more manageable for in the wrap. And then I'm gonna marinate it in some seasonings for a few minutes. So I'm just gonna quickly chop this stuff up. Like so. So it'll be yummy and delicious. It's hard to be known, didn't it? Well, that's Randy doing laundry. And a pencil. So I'll just quickly cut this up. So I'm trying to do a wrap or something, or I don't know, something different. So I thought maybe, because we always do chicken teriyaki, or we do chicken sweet and sour wraps, or honey garlic, or pork, and I thought, why not try a beef one? So it's kind of going to be like, almost like a beef fajita kind of thing. I'm just going to do like a bunch of vegetables, and then I'll fry them up and see about adding them to a wrap, or if I'm just going to do it like as a stir-fried bowl or something. I'll see. So I'm just going to finish cutting up this meat like this. And the meat, because I'm cutting it so small and it's beef, it doesn't take long to cook either. So I'm starting this recipe. It's about 20 after 6. Ryan's at dance and she gets home about 7:15. So I'm hoping this will be done by the time she gets home. Okay, so for my seasonings, I'm going to put in some salt. And I'm going to add I'm going to do about a tablespoon, roughly. So I got garlic powder. I got onion powder. I got coriander. This I'm only going to probably do about a half a teaspoon. Coriander, I got some ground mustard, just a teaspoon of that. Got cumin, I'll do like a half a teaspoon of that, or 2 teaspoons depending. And then I got pepper, and I'll just do a teaspoon of pepper. And like I said, anytime I do beef, I always use Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to add about, it depends on how much you want to do. I'm going to do about a tablespoon, but you can do about a teaspoon or so, because you have to like Worcestershire sauce. My family doesn't know it, but they eat it all the time, so they do like it. I just had to turn down my rice because it's boiling. So this I'm just going to let it sit and do its thing. And then I'm going to clean out and come back with my vegetables and show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm back and I got my vegetables. And what you're going to start with is you're going to use the vegetables that are going to take the longest you want to get ready in the frying pan first. So I'm going to start with my carrot. I'm just going to peel it up. And then I'll use this as my little garbage section and cut up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of finely chop them a little bit so they're like little sticks. add a bit of oil to my frying pan in here, and I'm going to add the carrots. I'm going to do the same thing with this one here too. Just cut them up round. Alright, so then I'm going to do the cauliflower that I have. A bit of brown sauce, just cut them off. Not a big deal. This you can cut however you want. If you want to leave it in chunks, if you want to slice it up, I'm going to do it like that, cut it like that, and just throw it right in. That's a little too big. And we'll just throw it right in like that. There you go. Cauliflower in. I'm going to do a couple of Brussels sprouts. Peel these off like little heads of cabbages. Some of them are good. And I'm just going to thinly slice them like that. Put it in. I like working with my frying pan like this sometimes. It's easy to cut and chop. Same thing with the Brussels sprout. Add it in. There you go. Spoon here. Mixing it up a little bit. Got it at about 300. I like Brussels sprouts, but I hate having to clean them and chop them. There you go. And the last one. Brussels sprouts are in. Then I'm going to do up some peppers. I'm going to do a bit of red pepper. You can do whatever pepper you want. I just have red and orange on hand. Green I usually just stick to if I'm going to do pizza. I don't really do green otherwise. But everybody has their preference. Choppy chop. These I'm going to do kind of like what I did with the carrots. Do them like that, and then I'm just going to cut them in half. And then I'll throw those in. Add a little bit more oil to this. You can use regular oil, canola oil, olive oil. You can use butter, margarine, whatever. Just enough to keep it so you can hear it sizzling. You want it to fry it to get brown. That's where you get all the flavors. Okay. Next, we're going to do the broccoli. A little bit of broccoli in there. Like I said, you can do any vegetable you want. These are just the vegetables I have on hand. You can do whatever you want. the stems. You can save them and use them as soup, or you can chop them up like you did the match, like the carrots. Nice and thin like that, but I'm going to cut them in half. Throw them in and eat them. There you go. There you go. There's that. I can smell the cauliflower right now cooking. It smells really good. Now I got some mushrooms. I'm gonna add those. And you can see like the vegetables are cooking because they all cook at different rates. So you want them all to end up at the same texture again, because I like mine, like I'd say, Chinese crunchy stuff. Chinese vegetables, still crunchy. So I'll add a few mushrooms. And I got some green onions here. Add some of those. Because green onions are really good when you fry them up. Okay, so add that. And then I'm going to put a lid on this. I'll dab it with a little bit of butter or water. Put a lid on it, and then it'll steam the vegetables a little bit. So there's my green onion. And I got some of these pea pods. There's all my veggies. They've all got fried in, and they've all got like a brown, like they're getting brown and getting flavorful in there. What I'm going to do now is just, I'm going to add a bit of water. Put it on, and I'm going to let it do its thing. I'm going to clean up my mess and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm going to plate up my dish now because everybody's home for supper. I'm just going to put a bit of rice down, like that, and then some scoops of the vegetables, and the beef, like so, a little bit the tomatoes and cucumber salad, like that. So, that's the one dish. That's my supper for tonight. Bye-bye.